Hello everyone, the name is Islam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a work breakdown structure using Microsoft Word. So first thing to do will be to click Insert, Smart Art, and then the window will pop up. Choose the option which is written Hierarchy, click it, then choose Organization Chart. There we go, then click OK to make it appear on your page. There we go. I don't need this one, so I'm just gonna highlight it like that. It is highlighted with the text inside, right? So I'm just gonna click backspace to delete it. There it is deleted. I'm gonna add two more boxes here, so I'm just gonna highlight the last one, then right click, then add after. I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna come to the last one, add, click, right click it, add after. Then I'm gonna change the font size. I'm gonna right click, then I'm come to font. I'm gonna make it 14 because 30 is too big. 14, all of them, they are somewhere around 30, so I'm gonna change all of them. There we go. Come to this one, highlight it, right click, font, 14, enter. Come to this one again, right click, font, 14, enter. This one again, right click, font, 14, enter. This one again, highlight, right click, font, 14. Then all of them, they have a font size of 14. Then I'm gonna type the project name here. I'm gonna call it Yard, enter, project. There we go. Then I'm gonna come to this one. I'm gonna type pre and post cleanup, pre and post cleanup. Then I come to this one, type cut loud, cut loud, the third one, enter, trimming, the fourth, equipment preparation, equipment, enter, preparation, there you go. The fifth one, I'm gonna call it H, trimming. There we go, we're done. All of them, they have names and identification, so I'm gonna just make this one bold. I'm gonna highlight it, then I'm gonna click bold. There we go. I need to add task after this pre-post cleanup. I need to add a task after, so I'm just gonna highlight it, right click, add shape below. There we go. I'm gonna add another one, highlight it, right click, add shape after. There we go. Then the font is still too big, so I just highlight it, right click, font. I'm gonna make it 14 again, 14. There we go. Even this one, highlight, right click, font, change it to 14, enter. There we go. I need another one, right click, add shape after. There we go. Then I'm gonna, I didn't change the font size, so I'm right click, and then I'm gonna enter 14. There we go, enter, done. Then I'm gonna type pick up trash for 15 minutes, pick up trash 15 minutes, and then back rake grass 14 minutes, and then howl the dump 45 minutes, howl there, dump for 45 minutes. There we go. I don't want it to have a shape outline, right? A shape fill, I mean. So I'm just gonna highlight it. This highlighted, you see. Then I'm gonna right click. Then I'm gonna come with return shape filler. Then I'm gonna click no filler. Right, but if I do this, then my text will disappear. So I need to change the font color first. So I'm gonna highlight everything within my box. Then after that, I'm gonna come with return font color. Then I'm gonna make it black. All of them I'm gonna change them to be black. Highlight everything within the box, then make it black. Highlight everything black. Highlight everything, then black. Then I can change the shape filler. Just highlight it, click shape filler, click where to change shape filler, no filler. There you go. I come to the second one, shape filler, no filler, done. Then I come to the third one, shape filler, format shape. Then we want it to have a filler. I'm gonna say no filler. There we go. It is formatted. Done. Then I need to add other tasks after this one. So I'm just gonna highlight it. Then I'm gonna say add shape below. Then I'm gonna add another one after this one. So I'm just gonna say add shape after. There we go. Then I'm gonna change the font size, which I told you how. I'm gonna make it 14. Enter. Then I come to this one, highlight it, right click, font, then 14. Okay, so I can type something inside now. I'm gonna type more front lawn, more front lawn for 45 minutes, 45. Then I come to this one, more background 30 minutes, more background for 40 minutes. There we go. Then after that I need to highlight everything. There we go, or make it black. I highlight everything again, I'll make it black. Then I don't want it to have a shape filler, so I can just do it like this. Then I say no shape filler. Then come to this one, right click, no shape filler. There we go. Then I come to the third one. I'm gonna add after, no, below. I'm gonna add below. Then I come to this one, I add after. I'm gonna change the font size. I told you how. I'm gonna enter 14. 14, there we go. Come to this one, font 14. Done. Then I'm gonna type weed add trees for 30 minutes. Weed add trees for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then I come to this one, hedge sidewalk, edge sidewalk for 15 minutes. I don't need a shape filler, so I just first thing to change the font color of my text. I'm gonna make it black. I highlight everything, then I make it black. It's black, then I don't need a shape filler. Right click, no shape filler. Done. Come to the next one, right click, and if the option which says no shape filler doesn't appear, you come where it's written format, then a window will pop up on your right hand side. You click where it's written no shape filler. Done. Just like that. I'm gonna add something, a task after this, so I'm just gonna click it, add shape below. Done. I'm gonna add 2 of them, then I'm gonna add shape after. Then I'm gonna change the font size, make it to be 14. Done. Then again make it 14. Done. Then I'm gonna edit my text inside. Gas up equipment for 5 minutes. Gas up, enter equipment for 5 minutes. Enter. Get out hash trimmer. Get out hash trimmer. Done. And my text has disappeared, so I'm just gonna increase the size of this. Where there are 2 arrows, I'm just gonna drag it a little bit upwards. There we go. And I'm also gonna increase the size of this upwards. There we go. Now it's visible. Okay, then I can change the font. Let me make it like this. The font color, I'm gonna highlight everything black, highlight everything black. I didn't put the time here, so what's the time? It's 5 minutes /5. There we go. I don't want a shape filler. I'm gonna highlight, right click, all. Then you come to your right hand side. If the window is there, no shape filler, highlight it, no shape filler. Done. Then the last one, I'm gonna right click, add shape below. Done. Then hash trimming will be done for 30 minutes. I'm just gonna change the font size first. I'm gonna make it 14. Sorry. There we go. Then I'm gonna edit text. Then I'm gonna make it 30 minutes. I'm gonna change the font color to be black. I'm gonna highlight everything within my box. I'm gonna make it black. Then I highlight the box. Then I say no shape filler. There we go. Then I'm done. Thank you for watching. I hope that it was simple for you and more readable or easy to follow. Let's first edit this since it is not. There we go. Drag it a little bit down. There we go. Now everything seems to be visible. You can make them to be of the same size if you wish. There we go. So it's up to you whether you change the way they look like or not. I hope that you understand the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.